It's Kathleen from moldworldfarmhouse.com. I love Swedish country style, and I've made quite a few videos about how to get the look with the paint colors. I even did a video, Swedish country style 13 key elements for getting the look, which is kind of like a shopping list of items that you would want to look for if you like this look and you want to put it in your house. Now, I love to source pretty much everything from Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, garage sales, yard sales, but I will say that for Swedish country style especially, Ikea is a wonderful source. They, of course, are a Swedish company, and some of their things harken back to the 1700s with that neoclassical look, which is sometimes known as Gustavian style. Gustavian style is like the fancy version, and Swedish country is like the farmhouse version of the fancy version of the Gustavian. I live too far to go to an Ikea very often, but I love to look at their online selection. So let's go and look at, I picked out really great finds that I think are perfect if you're looking for that Swedish country style in your house. So let's go. Ikea is actually a great place to look for Swedish country style items. In the 90s, they actually did a whole line that was deliberately copies of the Gustavian furniture, and I wish they would do it again, but they're not so far. First one is this chandelier called the Appelviken. The cool thing about this chandelier is that it's wired for electricity, but you can also put candles in it. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but it does. See, look, there's the electric, and then here it is with candles. For sure that in the Gustavian style, they definitely did this thing where they would have lots and lots of lights and then mirrors to reflect the lights. So this thing is beautiful. That I think is pretty Gustavian style or neoclassical that you can get at Ikea are these beautiful mirrors. Svansfell. They come in different shapes, and I love this little detailing up here. Ooh, that looks so great above that dresser. Beautiful. This one looks like you could hang vertical or horizontal. That's cool. Got this really cute little candlestick holder that's just like the kind from the olden days. It's adorable. I love that, and I'm sure they used them in the 1700s. 8 flat rugs, which are very Swedish, traditional Swedish flat rugs. This one is great. Handmade wool rug with traditional Scandinavian pattern. Same pattern on both sides. Beautiful. This one is really cool. I like this one a lot. Let's look at the big one. So pretty. Got this beautiful flower pattern on it. Just look at the king size. But the story behind it is what I love. And I really do like the pattern. But listen, look at this. The pattern was first created in the 1700s and is now kept at Musée de l'Impression sur Étoffe in France. A crispy, cool bed of flowers and cotton with fabric-covered buttons to keep the duvet in place. So cool. A pattern from the 1700s. How fun is that? And it's so pretty. They've got this line of furniture, Hauga, and it, to me, from pictures I've seen of Swedish country manors that are now museums, these pieces have this shape that I've seen a lot. It's this kind of like, it goes back and then up and then rounded. It's a very traditional shape that I've seen in a lot of pieces in these museum houses. And so I think it would be cool to get, like this could be a little hutch or a bookcase. great. A bookcase, a cabinet, a wardrobe, tons of stuff. 3-door chest, a glass door cabinet. There's even a bed. Doesn't quite have that shape, but still. Chest of drawers with a shelf. I think all of those pieces really harken back. Ooh, there's a nightstand, TV, desk. Yeah, it's just this little jog up and back. Ooh, I like that one. Open wardrobe with 3 drawers. That's so cool. I would love to have just enough clothes to hang here and fit in here and just have that be all I owned for clothes. How great would that be? Love it. So saw this neat armchair that was actually Strandman. That's what it was, kind of 50s looking. Yeah, Strandman, but it's a wingback chair, which of course is, in the 1700s was full of wingback chairs. And I think this is a really fun chair. And look at this cool, it comes in this yellow. How fun is that? Yeah, but look, this is a chair that they used to sell in the 50s. That's really cool. So it harkens back to the 50s, and I think also to the 1700s because it's a wingback chair. But in this gray, I think it could work really well with like a flat rug and one of those mirrors, and the chandelier would all be very, very convincing. So cool. And I'm sure that I haven't found everything at Ikea that would be a great fit for this style. If you know of anything at Ikea that would be a great fit for the Swedish Country style, please link it or comment in the comments below. If you enjoyed online shopping with me at Ikea, if you are interested in the Swedish Country style, please make sure and check out my video, Swedish Country Style 13 Key Elements for Getting the Look, or my playlist, Swedish Country Style. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com. Bye.